welcome to the Quality Stock Screener by Stock Investor IQ. In this video, we'll guide you through using this powerful tool to identify high-quality stocks based on the investment philosophy of renowned investor Terry Smith. With coverage of over 25,000 global stocks, you can discover quality investment opportunities from markets worldwide. To start, you can customize the screener settings to match your investment preferences. Use the drop-down menus to select the exchange region, sector, industry, and market capitalization range you're interested in. Let's select United States as the exchange region. The screener also covers various other regions across the world. You can also choose to screen stocks based on 5-year or 10-year growth rates. For the purposes of this demo, we'll use 10-year growth rates. Next, adjust the sliders to set your desired criteria for each metric. The default settings are gross profit margin, greater than 50%. Operating profit margin, greater than 20%. Cash conversion ratio, greater than 80%. Return on capital employed, greater than 15% per annum. Interest coverage ratio, greater than 10. Free cash flow yield, greater than 3.5%. Free cash flow growth, greater than 5% per annum. Discount to fair value using historical free cash flow growth, greater than 5%. The screener also provides the option to filter based on the debt-to-equity ratio. This is not used by default, however you may select your own criteria as desired. These metrics are key to Terry Smith's investment philosophy, as they focus on identifying high-quality businesses with strong profitability, efficient cash generation, capital allocation prowess, financial health, and sustainable growth. The screener defaults to specific sectors like communication services, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, healthcare, industrials, and information technology because these sectors tend to have businesses with the potential for high returns on capital employed and sustainable competitive advantages, key characteristics that Terry Smith looks for. Feel free to adjust the settings according to your own strategy. For example, let's change the free cash flow yield to 3% to make it less restrictive and include more potential opportunities. You can either use the slider or type the number directly. For a refresher on these financial metrics, refer to our comprehensive stock investing glossary available on the website. After setting your criteria, the screener will display a list of stocks that meet your quality requirements. The number of stocks found is displayed in the top right corner, along with a pie chart showing the sector composition of the results. By default, the results are sorted by market capitalization in US dollars, but you can easily sort by any other metric. For example, let's click on the Return on Capital Employed column header to sort the stocks based on their 10-year return on capital employed. Remember, the screener is just the first step in the stock selection process. Once you've identified potential high-quality stocks, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence. Use our stock metrics page to access in-depth financial data and our stock fair value calculator to estimate the stock's intrinsic value based on your own assumptions. So there you have it. The Quality Stock Screener is a powerful tool for uncovering stocks that align with Terry Smith's principles of investing in high-quality businesses with strong profitability, cash generation, and growth potential. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct your own research before making any decisions. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out using the contact form on our website. Start your journey to investing in quality businesses today at stockinvestoriq.com. If you found this Quality Stock Screener tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable investing insights and tools.